Hello everyone, I'm Reena Agustine from Community Impact, and it is indeed a pleasure to bring to you the amazing people who are making a difference in the community. And I have the privilege to interview Liudmila Larkin from the Russian community. Hi Liudmila.
Hi.
Liudmila, you're looking so pretty.
Thank you very much, Reena. Thank you.
I have seen you and known you for more than 2 years now, and especially with the Red Carpet Multicultural Fashion Show. You represent your culture so well.
Thank you very much, Reena. This is thank you for you. I would like to say thank you for you, because when I met you, you changed my life.
I like to hear that.
Thank you very much.
So, all these books that I'm seeing right now, 18 books you have written?
Yes, I wrote 18 books and published 18 books in different countries, in Russia, in Australia, in America, in Germany, in Latvia, in Bulgaria, Italian, in different languages.
Different languages?
Yes.
What language?
I am writing Russian.
Russian,
but,
yeah.
Translated for different languages.
I love it.
English, Italian, Latvian, and Germany, Udmurt, different.
Yeah. So the Udmurt that you mentioned, that's where you grew up?
Yes, it is my place where I was born. Udmurtia, this is part of Russia. Is very beautiful, very beautiful. Little country is Russian. Yeah.
And you studied ethnography?
Yes, I completed university, State University of Udmurt. And when I completed university, after graduation, I came work to the museum. This museum is public, Udmurt Museum, and I was researchers. And I very often I came to the ethnography exhibition and expedition, and we collect different dresses. And when I came to work to museum, I was surprised because I saw a lot of beautiful culture in different country. And yes, of course, Udmurt was more. But when we have been in the ethnography and we came different village, we saw every village had different dresses, different clothes. Everybody spoke the same language, but one village maybe a dress is only white, another only red. Depend where they are living. If this north, dress should be a white color. If south is a red color, and different. And I started to learn this, and I was so happy to work in the museum. It was a very good time in my life.
The beautiful different cultural dresses.
Yes, beautiful culture, and I like this forever. And when in 1990 start in the revolution in our country, in Soviet Union, this perestroika, I think you know, and our life changed for everybody, and a lot of culture institution was closed.
Really?
Yes, and a lot of my husband at that time worked in the factory, aviation factory. He's engineer. Factory was closed, everything, and like many other family, we start business. Was very hard. We work very hard every day, every night, but our business was not too bad. It's good, but is in our country not protection for small businesses. It was very dangerous, and our business grows and was very dangerous. We have two children, 2 sons. Older son was a student and was independent, but younger son was 13 years. And we decided to send him to Australia.
To study?
To study, yeah. And after we came with husband here to Brisbane, it was John Paul College. And after 3 years, we come back to Russia. but it was completely different country. It was more dangerous for people who come back from abroad. And we left our country forever, and we came to Australia.
18 years back?
Yes, and we start here to live. Australia is the best country. I feel here always like safe, always protection for me, for my family. But it was very hard to start live here, and because we did not speak English. Yes, and my English now not very well.
Beautiful.
Did not speak English. My husband. We did not have here relatives, no friends, and no housing, nothing.
Nothing.
And
yeah.
yes, and it was very hard. But always I feel so happy in my soul, because I feel freedom. I believe should be start new life in our family, because we work hard. We open small business. Small here is fruit shop.
Fruit shop?
Yes, in Gold Coast we did this, but not easy because not enough English. It's not easy, but we work very hard. And after I completed.
So you just mentioned that you had a fruit shop in Gold Coast?
Yes, we run this shop, and maybe not enough English was not very easy for us. And after I completed aged care and community care, I received 2 certificates, and I came to work in the aged care. It's community care, like social, like support worker. And I was so happy because I can help people. I love people. I helped to the older people and the disability people, and I was so happy. And after I completed college, Australian college, this is editors and editor and journalism. And 2009, I create my magazine. Australian Icon Lamp.
Where did you study the journalism?
This is journalism. It was like online. This is Australian
Love it.
college. Yes, and I create my magazines.
This is the one?
Yes. Now I got a lot of. From 2009 until today, I'm running this magazine.
It's a monthly magazine?
This is about immigrants who came.
Every month?
Not 4 times per year. Yeah, it's quarter. Yeah, and this is magazine about immigrants in Australia, about life before when they lived in their country and living here. And this is literature and a lot of. And after I create its studio, literature and musical studio. And where we study and learn music, poetry, writers, and we're doing dancing and song. Yes, and now I am members of International Writer Guide in Germany. And I am members of international and a lot of writers.
Wow.
And members of association in Australia and Russia. And I published writing 18 books. And my books, this is about immigrants and poetry about life, about love, about everything in the life, and about God.
and about the songs that you have written?
Yes, and composers, they writing music for my poetry, and now I have 50 songs, yeah, and by English and by Russian. Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot of songs.
Now I'm so happy in Australia. Yeah.
You've been here 18 years, and you know, Liudmila, every migrant has a story. Your story is inspiring because you did not waste your time. You took the opportunity, you learned English, you educated yourself, and you found a passion to help people by going and working in aged care. helping the disabled. And you say that it gave me satisfaction, you said. That, it gives me happiness, it gives you satisfaction. It is so important. And if every migrant does that, our Australia is definitely called the land of opportunities.
Yes, Australia, this is true. It gives everybody opportunity. Only we need doing, we need work, we need doing and see inside. Not thinking, I can't because this is problem, this is problem. First, we need think inside what I can do. And we need set very maybe high its
Expectations?
Yes, because it's if we go in half, this is good, but we always should be work about, and very important. It's always be positive.
Always be positive.
Positive, because if you have one minus, you should be alone make 5+. 5+. If I know somebody very hard today, they came on this country maybe 3 years ago, very hard time. Maybe they living more years, but not easy time. But everybody should believe in power, in themselves power,
right.
and to God, because God never left us. If we working, if we going something, doing, if we love people, if we love God, it always will be good. I know, because we start from zero. We was very hard time, and now I am so happy. And I would like to say thank you very much, Rina, to you, because yes, I am writing books. I got my literature musical salon. I got now friends and magazine. But when I meet you, it's new step in my life. I so happy because you return me my country.
I love that.
You return my country. I very miss. I love Australia, but I very miss my country. And when I saw you, when I saw people from different country, different culture, and I feel like I at home forever. This is my home forever. I so happy to show dress in our
The traditional
country.
dresses, I'm getting goosebumps,
Yeah.
because Red Carpet is all about the multicultural fashion show,
Yes.
bringing different cultures together. And when I saw you representing Russia, it takes you back that there are so many countries right here, but they are showcasing the different cultures, but they are embracing Australia as their home, but still having the not forgotten
Yes.
where they came from.
Yes.
You never forget where you come from.
Yes, never forget. Thank you for you. And now I think so. Next time I will show Udmurt dress.
The place where you were born.
Yes, yeah, where I was born. It is Udmurt. It is very nice people. Always kind. Always, I don't know. Now I found here the same people like in my country. Yes, Australia is the best country and a lot of opportunity. And you doing happy people. You're doing a lot of work, a lot of job. I know it's something organized. It's not easy. I know.
Yes.
But you're always kind, always smile. And thank you for that.
Thank you.
And
You have to be positive in life. As you said, positivity is so important. You cannot do things, you cannot do community service with negative mindset. And that's what I know that you have been doing for 18 years. If you have written all these books, and if you have written songs and poems, and 50 songs that you mentioned,
Yes.
you couldn't have done with a negative mindset. You should have seen the positivity to make this all happen. And if you started this magazine, how many years back, I don't know now, but how many years back?
12.
12 years.
Yes.
To keep it alive for 12 years
Yes.
is not easy. People start,
Yes.
but they give up. in a year, in 2 years, in 3 years. But you didn't give up. Why? Because you wanted to keep the culture alive because it's in Russian.
true.
And you wanted to share the story of migrants. Everybody has a story. Everybody has come over here with lots of struggles. And we all come to this beautiful country, embrace this country, but never forget where we come from.
Yes, now I'm writing about red carpet in the
Oh,
magazine.
yes,
of
yes.
course, because it's like new step.
New step for you.
Yeah.
So, Liudmila, if you want to advise some people, the young people, for their, to get all the positivity, what advice would you give?
My advice, always, very important people. It's very important forgive people, because not very easy time, but it's always forgive, always positive. And I told 5 minutes ago, it's from one minus, make 5 plus. If you fall, you tell it's all right, because I'm not broken my leg. If somebody angry today, it's all right. I'm happy because I'm with my God. I got my family. I got Rina. I got only positive
People around
positive.
you. Wow.
Yeah.
So doesn't matter you fail, you try again.
Yes. Yeah.
Wow. I
Yes.
love that.
And I would like to say thank you very much for everybody who came in my life, because now we have a lot of friends. When we came, we did not know one person here. And now I have everywhere friends.
Yes.
I have friends, and a lot of friends from different countries. I received every day a lot of letters from different countries. Sometimes I don't know who is writing, but when they write me, thank you for your book, thank you for your poetry, thank you for your songs, I'm so happy. And I'm so happy because this is God gave people, because we can't do nothing if we don't like people.
Correct.
If we like people, and if people saw your open soul, they opened for you.
That's right.
Yeah.
So you do good, and good will come to you. Yes?
Yeah, thank you very much,
Wow.
Rina. Yeah.
So Liudmila, what's the meaning of your name?
My name,
Yes.
Liudmila,
Yes.
and like Mila. Liudmila, this is about people. Like half name, it's people. These people like Mila. Mila, this is like happy.
Happy.
Yes, everybody like Mila, like this.
Wow, love it.
This is my
love it.
name.
I love the
This is my name.
Liudmila Larkina. Thank you so much for your time today. Really a pleasure to have you.
Thank you very much, Rina. Thank you very much for your invitation, and thank you for yesterday. Yesterday was beautiful time, beautiful night.
Bringing cultures together.
Yes, culture together, and dancing, beautiful dancing, Indian, and me dancing. And thank you for the certificate.
The fashion show?
Yeah,
yes,
fashion
beautiful.
show.
You looked amazing, and you look amazing in your traditional dress. Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you very much. Thank you.